Okay guys, here Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Today I'm gonna make a sandwich like no one other. I saw that sandwich on TV. Might not gonna come out the same way that they did it because they are professional what they do, but I went and I'm gonna replicate it. Why? Because I wanna eat it. The sandwich that is gonna consist of mozzarella cheese, beef tomato, avocado, basil, and also I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. You can see my papaya here. That papaya gonna be used later on. I'm gonna make a papaya juice. See right there, nice and beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna start making my sandwich, and I'm gonna see how it come out. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a few slices of tomatoes. The first thing you need to do before you begin, make sure you clean your tomato. Make sure you wash your tomato. Okay. Make a few slices, not too thin, not too thick. I think few slices is good enough. The second thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slice over my avocado. Let me wash it. Avocado, nice. Look at that avocado, guys. Look at that avocado. It looks super good. Look at that. See, now I really like avocado. I'm gonna use the whole avocado for my sandwich. You can use whatever you want, but since I really enjoy avocado, I'm gonna use the whole thing. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get another plate. Let me rinse the plate. See, this is my avocado. There you have it, guys. Hope you can see it better. With a tomato. Okay, that's gonna be for the sandwich. Let me put it in the side. Let me clean the thing. I'm gonna get this is my fresh mozzarella. Fresh mozzarella. There you have it, guys. The fresh cheese, mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna open up a few slices of it. I hope you can see it properly. You see it right there. And this stuff looks super good. One, two, get 3 slices of mozzarella cheese. The rest gonna go back into the plastic where it came from. Put it in the side. And you have it. See? 3 slices of mozzarella cheese. This is my basil. As if you can see it. I'm gonna use few. Oh man, this smells super good. Few basil leaf. Yeah, a few of them, not too many. That will be good. This smells super, super good. As you can see, I already cut my papaya right there in the blender. I put ice on it. Now I'm going to add a drop of Dominican pure vanilla. Just a drop. There we go. A little bit of it. Just for taste, you know, just for taste. I'm gonna add my sugar. The sugar is of your likings. How many spoons do you like? I prefer I like it sweet, to be honest with you. I like it sweet. So I will add around 3.5 spoons of sugar. I like my papaya shake a little bit sweet. But remember, this sugar, you can see right there, 3.5. This sugar is not regular sugar. This is organic brown sugar. You could use whatever you want. That's the one that I like to use. You could always add more sugar later on. It's up to you. You know, depending how you like it, sweet, extra sweet. I just like it sweet, not too sweet, but I like it sweet. Now I'm gonna add my milk. This is the milk that I use. Most of us we use carnation milk. It's up to you. You use if you want to add carnation milk, you could use carnation milk, 1 can of carnation milk and 1 can of water or half a can of water. I just go straight up with organic milk. It's up to you, whatever you want to use. I don't even measure this stuff. I just add the milk. That should be enough, I hope. There you have it. Okay guys, I'm gonna start preparing my sandwich. Put this in the side for now. My bread. This is how I'm gonna prepare it. This is my olive oil. You prepare it any way you want to. I don't know how you like it. I know how I'm gonna eat it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour a little bit of olive oil in the bread itself. Okay. If you need more, then you add more. Then I'm gonna add the tomatoes. 1, 2 tomatoes. Let me put it in the side so I could close it. I'm gonna add the mozzarella cheese, fresh mozzarella cheese. And this stuff is looking delicious. I'm gonna add my avocado. Here you have it. I'm gonna break it in pieces. Man, I hope I'm not creating a bomb over here, but this looks super good. My avocado. Let me clean my hands because this is crazy. Super good. And then on top of it, I'm gonna put the basil. Did you see it? 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more olive oil. Let me move this out of the way. I'm gonna add a little more olive oil on top of it. I got the mozzarella cheese, the avocado, the basil, the tomatoes, olive oil. Guys, I want you to see how this sandwich look. This is crazy. This stuff looks super good. The avocado, I tasted it, super delicious. Look at that. Look at that sandwich. Look at that olive oil dripping from the sides. Look at that avocado, guys. If you like salt, you go add salt. I didn't add no salt to it. I think it's super delicious the way it looks, it's the basil smells super good. So there you have it, guys. Omarete Vilato, Basement Production. Thank you for watching. Check this out, guys. That is my papaya shake or drink. That stuff looks super good. Guys, I'm gonna enjoy this meal. Thank you for watching once again. Omarete Vilato, Basement Production, guys.